She's stunning, folks. She's a 2013. She's a Ford F-150 Crew Lariat EcoBoost 501A luxury package, long wheelbase, 6.5 box. It's the one you want, folks. She's black on black, factory sunroof, factory navigation, backup cam, reverse sensing system, loaded to the gills, heated seats, cooled seats, dynamite. No rust on this truck, not anywhere, and she's dialed in with 20s. Super nice, folks. Sony sound system, his and her temperature sync technology, tailgate step, no rust on these rockers. The truck is all there, folks. LED lights, just a lady. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect. Start the down payment at $14.95. DasCleveland.com.